The major options which we have when we look at 4G hotspots is JioFi and Airtel 4G hotspot. In this video, we will take a look at Airtel 4G hotspot and compare it to the hotspot which can be used on your phone. Hey guys, this is Kirtan Bhatt from Gadget Park. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the build quality. It is completely made up of plastic and it has two LEDs on the top. It has a button to switch on the device and the two LEDs represent the battery status and the network status of the device. If it shows green LED, then it means that you have good 4G network. If you have orange LED, then it means that you have a decent 3G network, and red means you have no network at all. Talking about the network, according to my experience, it gives about 3 times the speed of what you get on your phone. It can work with Airtel Prepaid or Airtel Postpaid SIM cards, but it is locked to Airtel SIM cards unless you unlock the device. The same plans which is used to recharge your mobile Airtel SIM card can be used to recharge the Airtel 4G hotspot SIM card also. As I have mentioned, it gives higher speed than what you get on your mobile phone. So this Airtel 4G hotspot can be used to improve the network of the Airtel network in your place. Please make a note that this Airtel 4G hotspot cannot make or take any calls. It can be connected to a device using the micro USB cable provided in the box, and the same micro USB cable can be used for charging the device. The battery life of the device is quite decent, and I would say it's one of the worst when compared to other hotspots. It's just about 2 to 3 hours of internet. Of course, the charging time of the device is also very fast because we are getting a lower capacity battery and it charges pretty fast. Please make a note that it can be also used while charging, so I don't think the lower capacity battery does matter here. It can be charged using a power bank also. So where can you buy this? I would say this is the most difficult part for this device because I have roamed multiple Airtel stores to get the device and they were just forcing me to buy it with a postpaid connection. They were telling me this Airtel hotspot comes only with a postpaid connection and they won't give me just the device if I have a SIM card or if I'm willing to buy a prepaid SIM card also. They would force me to get a postpaid connection. So as usual, I went to Amazon and it was there for 2000 rupees. I just bought it and it works fine with my prepaid SIM card. No issues found till date. So if you wanna buy it through Amazon, links will be provided in the description below. You can use that link. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it. Vote it down if you didn't. Comment down if you have any questions or queries regarding the device. Subscribe for more such content. This is Kirtan Bhatt signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.